The tools needed for this job are a 1/4 inch hex, a Torx 10 star bit, a Torx 20 star bit, flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, small flathead screwdriver, and a mallet. Start by removing the vent covers. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry them away from the end caps. Using the 1/4 inch hex, remove all 4 bolts from the rear end cap. Remove both ends. Now, using the Torx 20 star bit, remove all 14 cover bolts. Lift off the top half of the cover and move the power cord. Disconnect the 4 switch terminals and carefully remove the black pod from the outer shell. Using the needle nose pliers, disconnect the brush terminal. With a small flathead screwdriver, pull back the spring cover and pull out the old brush. Holding back the spring cover, insert the new brush with the terminal wire nearest to the back end of the motor. Reconnect the brush terminal. Reconnect all 4 switch terminals. The power cord terminals attached to the open side of the switch and the motor terminals attached to the closed side of the switch. Connecting on the top or the bottom does not matter as long as the power cord is on the open end of the switch and the motor is on the closed end of the switch. Position the pod back into the cover, being very careful with the fan. Assure that the fan spins freely and no fan blades are bent. Put the power cord back into position and assure that the flat side is facing upward. Replace the shell and press it into a snug fit. Using the Torx 20 star bit, replace the 14 cover screws. Reattach the front end cap to the motor body. Be sure to align the cover with the end cap so that the top and the bottom flanges fit properly into the end cap. Reattach the rear end cap and secure by using the 4 1/4 inch hex bolts. Finally, reattach the vent covers on both ends by pressing them firmly with your hands or gently tapping with a mallet. Thanks for watching.